Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video series we will start a new training course in which we develop together and step by step a complete application or software for managing a school using of course Microsoft Access and VBA. VBA or Visual Basic for Application is the component that represents the programming language for MS Access. This is only an overview of our projects. In this project we will cover some functionalities to be included in our application. There are some basic functionalities like how to manage student teachers, specialties, major, how to add subjects and coefficients. In the other side, we have some other advanced functionalities, how to add or record attendance and absence, how to manage assessments and grade, exam management, and how to generate report like grade book, student grade, and so on. As the final step of this project, we will see how to connect our database with Power BI and creating a dashboard for monitoring and control. In each project created in MS Access environment, we have three components that we will work on. The first component is database that contains tables when we will store our data, relationship between those tables and queries. The second component is programming language or VBA. VBA for application or Visual Basic for application allow us to create procedure and functions. Events VBA also allow us to connect or to manipulate our data, how to add data in tables or get data from tables, how to update, how to delete, and so more. Third component is UI. UI or user interface that will be used, this component that will be used to control the input data to be stored in our database. In database context, the main structure or object that will be encountered often is table. Table is the main structure used to store our data. To deal with this project, normally we need to query an MS Access database truth for basic functionalities or function so-called CRUD operation. CRUD operation is a stand for create, read, update, and delete. We will see how to use all these things inshallah in practice. In VBA Access or Visual Basic for application, the object that will be frequently used is the record set. Record set is an object that represents a set of record from a database table or queries or SQL statements. We can use this object to perform the CRUD operation like this. First, we will declare an object with data type record set, as you see here. After, we can perform the CRUD operation. R for read, select all from student, for example, to read all data from table students. rs.add new to add a record or to insert a record in a table. rs.update to update data in a table, and rs.delete to delete data from a table. We will see all these things inshallah in practice in the next video.